Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you where to check your device's temperature. So the main thing that heats up your PC is its processor, and to check your processor's temperature you have to right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to Performance section, and here you can check the temperature of your GPU. Well, GPU isn't the processor but the graphics card, but since the graphics card is integrated into your CPU, therefore this temperature is basically the temperature of your processor. So here is the current temperature of your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.